Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are continuing with our series on Combined Science Paper 1 that was written in November 2024. We are going to revise the chemistry section. The chemistry section, it is going to cover from number 15 to number 27. So let us dive into chemistry section of November 2024, Combined Science Paper 1. Number 15, a mixture of water and alcohol is separated by fractional distillation because water and alcohol have different. The correct answer is C, which is boiling points. In order to separate water and alcohol, a process that is known as fractional distillation is used, which relies on the differences in their boiling points. Since alcohol is a lower boiling point than water, it is going to evaporate first when the mixture is heated, allowing for its collection as a separate liquid, whilst the water is going to remain behind. And then number 16, the mass number of an element is the correct answer is C, the sum of protons and neutrons. So the mass number of the element is the sum of protons and neutrons. It is also called the atomic mass number. Let us proceed to number 17. Chlorine exists as two atoms, that is chlorine with mass number of 35 and chlorine with mass number of 37. Such kind of atoms, they are known as isotopes. So the question is then now saying, which statement about the two chlorine atoms is correct? So we are going to select B as our answer, which is reading the atoms have similar chemical reactions. So isotopes, they have similar chemical reactions because they have same number of electrons, which are primary determinant of an element's chemical behavior, regardless of different number of neutrons in their nuclei, meaning that their electron configuration is the same, which is going to lead to similar chemical properties and reactions. Let us proceed to number 18. Which statement about properties of group 2 elements is correct? So on number 18, the correct answer is C. C is reading the atomic radius is going to increase down the group. So the atomic radius increases as you move down the group 2 elements on the periodic table because the number of electron shells increases, which is going to push the outermost electrons further away from the nucleus with each new shell added. This is a consistent trend in group 2 elements. Let us proceed to number 19. Which gas is produced when aluminium reacts with steam? So on number 19, the correct answer is C, which is the hydrogen. When aluminium reacts with steam, it is going to produce aluminium oxide and hydrogen gas. The chemical equation for this reaction is 2 aluminium reacting with 3 moles of water in order to give us 1 mole of aluminium oxide and 3 moles of hydrogen. Let us proceed to number 20. Which substance turns blue litmus paper red? So the correct answer on number 20 is B, which is saying dilute sulfuric acid. So dilute sulfuric acid turns the blue litmus paper red because it is acidic, and the blue litmus paper changes color to red when exposed to an acidic solution. This is a common way to test for acid it. Number 21. In the contact process, sulfur dioxide is reacted with oxygen to give sulfur trioxide. Which catalyst is used? The correct answer on number 21 is D. Vanadium V oxide is a primary catalyst in the manufacture of sulfuric acid through the contact process, where it is going to facilitate the conversion of sulfur dioxide to sulfur trioxide by acting as a catalyst in reaction of oxygen. And then number 22. Which substance is a raw material in the manufacture of ammonium nitrate fertilizer? So on number 22, we are going to select ammonia as our answer. Ammonia is used to make ammonium nitrate through an acid-base reaction with nitric acid. And then number 23, the diagram shows the apparatus used during the electrolysis of water. Which one is the positive test for gas K? So this question, it requires us to understand that in the electrolysis of water, at anode we are going to have oxygen, and then at cathode we are going to have hydrogen. So to test for oxygen, which is going to be at the anode, you can use a glowing splint and you place it inside a test tube of gas. So if the gas is oxygen, the splint is going to relight. So here we are going to select B as our answer on number 23. And then on number 24, the question is saying, what is reduction? Reduction is defined as the gain of electrons. So reduction refers to the process of an atom or ion gaining electrons. So A, which is the loss of electrons, it is the definition of oxidation. The loss of hydrogen, it is again a definition of oxidation. And then gain of oxygen, it is the definition of oxidation. So correct option on number 24 is C. Let us proceed to number 25. Iron is extracted in the blast furnace. What is the function of the limestone in the blast furnace? So on number 25, we are going to select B as our answer, which is saying to remove impurities. So limestone is used to remove the silicate impurities in the blast furnace. The calcium carbonate that is found in the limestone, it is going to react with silicon dioxide, which is also known as sand, in order to form calcium silicate, which is known as the sludge. Let us proceed to number 26. The equation shows a reaction in the biogas digester. We are having organic waste being converted to X and carbon dioxide. And then the question is now saying, what is X? So on number 26, we are going to select methane as our answer. In the biogas digester, the organic waste is going to be converted to methane. The process occurs through anaerobic digestion, where the bacteria is going to break down the organic matter in the absence of oxygen in order to create methane and carbon dioxide. And then the final question in the chemistry section, it is saying which of the organic molecules shown is a hydrocarbon. So we are going to select A as our answer. So A is known as ethene. Ethene is a hydrocarbon because it is consisting entirely of hydrogen and carbon. So B is not a hydrocarbon as it is having that oxygen and OH group. C is not a hydrocarbon, and also D is not hydrocarbon, since they are having that chlorine. When we are talking about hydrocarbon, they're supposed to be having carbon and hydrogen only. So this marks the end of our tutorial today on chemistry section that was written in November 2024, Combined Science Paper 1. Thank you so much, guys, for following me on this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. For those who want to join my WhatsApp classes, you can contact me on 0776 824159. I'm starting with November candidates this upcoming Monday. So you need to contact me, you join the class in order to join the winning team. Goodbye.